What's up, everybody? It's your girl D. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a twist out tutorial. So if you're interested on how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so for this tutorial you're going to need a wide tooth comb, a denim brush, and for my hair I'm using Palmer's Coconut Formula Curl Styler Cream Pudding, and I'm also going to use ORS Lock and Twist Gel, and also Lotta Body Setting Lotion, and I'm using my water bottle for that, and I also put some water in there as well. So let's get started. Okay, I'm starting off by doing a part from ear to ear, and then I will be doing a side part with this hairstyle. You can either use a side part like me, or you can do a middle part, or if you don't want a part at all, you can just do a twist going down the middle, or however which way you would like. So now that I got my part, I'm going to start sectioning off my hair into 3 sections. And you can do as many sections as you want. I just like working with 3 sections because it makes it a lot easier and a lot faster for me to work. As you see here, I am parting a section from the back, and as you see, it was not a neat parting. You do not want a neat parting when you're doing twist outs, because you're going to take a lot of time trying to tease out the part creasing. So that's why I'm just going to be using my hands most of the time to do the parting. So here you see me using the products in my hair, and I'm using a generous amount, and I'm also going to be using my denim brush because you do not want no knots when you are doing two-hand twists. So in the same section that I was putting the products in or whatever, I parted it into, and now I am twisting, and I am going to be doing a twirl at the end of my twist so it can lock the twist in. Here I go again, repeating the same process on the other side, and I'm just going to show you guys on how I do it one more time, and then I am going to speed it through, and I'm going to do the same process throughout my whole head, so pay attention. when doing the two-hand twist, you do want to do it a little tight so that your twist out can come out really defined. At this point, I am showing you how they look, and I'm counting them, and I had 12 in total, 8 in the back and 7 in the front. So now it's the next day, and I am going to grab the Eco Styler, and I am going to lay down my baby hairs. I'm going to let them dry with my Velcro headband, and as they are drying, I am going to go ahead and untwist my twist out. As you notice that I have not put no oil on them, but I will, after I untwist my twist out, I will apply the oil. I am going to be putting on the organic coconut oil over my hair, and I am also going to be using my black castor oil to separate my twist out. And I'm also going to remove my purple headbands because, as you see, you guys, that those baby hairs is laid. Yes. As you can see that my twist out are nice and defined, and they're not even frizzy at all, and I am very pleased on how they came out. So now I am using my white tooth comb to tease the roots of my hair. That's why I said in the beginning of the video you shouldn't part, so you wouldn't take that much time to tease your roots. And as you can see the back of it, and yeah, I'm messing with it a little bit with my hand, and yeah, I could even wear it like that, but I am going to go ahead and style it. I am going to wear it pinned up on one side. So of course I've used my Eco Styler, I'm twisting it, and I'm going to use a bobby pin to pin it up. And now I am teasing it with my hair, and I am going to grab the white tooth comb to tease it to make it a little bit bigger in the back. And yes, you see me poking out my lips, I'm feeling it, I'm feeling myself, yes. But you guys, it was fun making this video. Please comment and subscribe, and also like this video, and deuces.